let's talk a little bit about PVS impressions or putty impressions. So we have a few requirements that we're looking for in an impression, just like with the scans. We need 3 to 5 millimeters of gingiva above the gum line, and this is to make sure that the aligners fit accurately. We need to make sure that each tooth hole here that's made in the impression is accurate and looks like the surfaces of the teeth. Oftentimes there will be a hole where the teeth broke through to the tray here, and that can cause a distortion that is hard for us to fix. And so you want to make sure that that is all clear and it looks like the surfaces of the teeth. We also recommend only using a heavy body. A heavy body is the base putty, kind of like you see here. And oftentimes offices will use a light body that goes on top of this impression. And the light body is meant to fill in any distortions or holes or gaps that were missed in the initial impression, but oftentimes it causes a lot of distortions. So those impressions are very frequently rejected because it causes distortion lines that we cannot fix. Here are some examples of common mistakes. So this is what it looks like to have a double impress or distorted occlusal impression here. This is what it looks like when the teeth were not inserted into the putty before it started to harden. And so the incisors scraped here, and these impressions are pretty unusable. And then we have these impressions here that are very shallow. We did not get enough gum line, so we cannot manufacture the aligners using these impressions.